Lot number 4266A is an apple. Here we have ourselves a 2008 Kawasaki Ultra 250X Supercharge. We are parting this machine out. If you need parts off this machine, give Marto's Motorsports a call, 218-844-4968. It's a freshwater Minnesota jet ski. It's got 115 hours on it. Supposedly it's got water in the engine, we think. Everything is complete, nothing's tore down. Super clean. Hull's got registration, so if you want to buy the hull, punch the mobilizer key in. There's the gauge coming on. It's got a low battery, but it's got 115 hours on the gauge, you can see it there. And again, every part on this machine is for sale, including the hull if you want to buy the hull. We are located in Detroit Lakes, Minnesota. 56501 is the zip code if you want to look us up. All the parts will be listed on eBay. You can check us out on eBay under Martos Motorsports LLC is the name of the company. I want to thank you for stopping by. Have a great day. Thank you.